Hello, this is William Chung in Toronto, and welcome to Evernote2Box, running at evernote2box.herokuapp.com. On the home page, there's a link to register to export notes from your Evernote to your box, and there's also a For Administrators link, which I can show you in another browser just to keep things organized. So when you click on For Administrators, you'll be prompted to log in as an admin. And the app creates a default admin account, super admin, which you can use. So on the administration panel, let's just engage the activity monitor for now, which shows you that your Evernote2Box currently has 0 active users. So let's change that by registering a user. And when you register from the app, you're asked to sign in to Evernote. Let's sign in to Marco Polo Pizzeria. And you're asked to allow access to box notes, so let's authorize. And finally, you're asked to sign into Box to authorize Evernote2Box to export notes from Evernote to Box. I'm going to use my personal Box account, which I'll sign in here just so we can see what I have in my box currently. So I have these folders, and let's see, I don't have any tags. Okay, so let's go back and finish authorizing Evernote2Box. Okay, congratulations. Now you see in Box, it created a Box Notes subfolder. Oh, and you also notice that in the activity monitor, it tells you that your Evernote2Box currently has 1 active user now, and that the last activity was this new user was registered at this time. Cool. Okay, so back to Box. It created a Box Notes account, Box Notes folder. And the folder is empty. This is where the notes from Evernote are going to be created in. Okay, so let's go to Evernote and sign into Marco Polo Pizzeria, where I currently have a Box Notes tag. So let's add the tag to this note and save. Okay, so we see in Box it says you uploaded Marco Polo's Pizzeria.pdf, and also in the activity monitor you can see that it shows you that I upload a note to my box, and total 1 upload so far for this user. So let's check out the PDF. Okay, so you see that it matches my note in Evernote with text and the image and the styling for the text. And you also notice that in the description, it tells you where this note came from. It came from Marco Polo Pizzeria's notebook, which is my default notebook in this Evernote. And you also notice that this file is tagged with Box Notes, and under tags you see that there's a Box Notes tag which was created by the app. Okay, so this file is under the Box Notes folder. Let's go back to Evernote and edit the note. Let's see, London was great. See you all in Rio. Okay, and let's save. And you notice our activity monitor shows a total of 2 uploads now, uploaded a note at this time. And Box also automatically refreshes the file. And you see here's our change, right? London was great. See you all Unreal. And it's v2 of the file. Okay, something else we can change is, let's change the title of the note from Marco Polo's Pizzeria to just Marco Polo. Save. Okay, activity monitor shows 3 uploads. So in box, it's refreshing. And you see that the file name now is changed to Marco Polo from Marco Polo's Pizzeria. And the rest of the file obviously wasn't changed. It's v3 now. Okay, now let's move this note to another notebook, Lunch Specials. See what happens. Okay, total 4 uploads. And box is refreshing here. So you see that the description is now from Notebook Lunch Specials, right? Okay. Let's actually do something similar in box. Let's move this file to another folder. Let's move it out of box notes to Williams Docs. Okay, so the PDF has been moved, right, to Williams Docs now. And in Evernote, let's make a change. Let's see, London 2012 was great. Save the change. And see if that gets picked up. Total 5 uploads, alright? So, yeah, you see box got that change. So even though the file was moved to another folder, Williams Docs, the change still showed up, right? London 2012. And let's say I remove the box notes tag from this note and make a change. Make this bold and save. You notice that there's no upload, right? Box doesn't refresh. But as soon as we add the tag back to the note, let's add box notes again and save. Then you see there's 6 uploads now, right? So box should be refreshing. Yeah. Okay, so London is now in bold. Okay. Now let's look at another type of note, this Lunch Special B, which has a video attachment. Let's see what happens when we send this to box. So let's tag it with box notes and save. Now this is going to the box notes folder. And Lunch Special B is here. Let's take a look. Okay, so the attachment doesn't show up because it's a video, right? It's not an image. Let's add an image here. Let's see. I'll add my gravatar. Okay, so now box is refreshing, and you see the image getting shown up here, right? Oh, and there's a placeholder actually for the any attachment that can't be rendered. There's this placeholder attachment from original omitted. Okay, so this note is in lunch specials. Okay, something that you can do in Evernote is you can have notes with the same title. So uh, let's try that out. So let's do the lunch special B. So it's the same title as our existing, the last note we were using, and let's tag with box notes, and let's add something here. Um, Manager special only on holidays. Caveat, I guess, and let's save. Okay, so now this should be pushed out like 9 uploads. Okay, and let's go to box notes, and okay, now you see that because we already had a file named lunch special B. When I upload this note to box, I have to make it unique because box doesn't allow duplicate file names in the same folder, which makes sense. So I make it unique by just appending the creation time to the file name part, right? It's still a .pdf, so we can check it out to make sure that it's the right content, right? The manager special only on holidays. Okay. Okay, this is just the initial note that Evernote gives everyone when you sign in. Let's actually upload this and see how it's rendered in the PDF. The box notes. So there should be the 10th upload. Okay, 10 uploads. Okay, so you uploaded getting started. Let's check this out. Okay, so not bad. Okay, now I want to show uploading this. This note has a 3 meg photo attached. This Canadian rock. So let's see the performance of this app. Let's see. I need to tag it with box notes and save. See how long that takes to be uploaded in box. This is going to be upload 11. So upload 11. Okay, it just went through. You uploaded a Canadian rock. Okay, let's check it out. It's 3.4 meg, right? It matches the size here in Evernote. Still loading, okay. Okay, okay, finished. So, oh. Anyway, there's the Canadian rock, right? So that shows the performance is pretty good, right? Because like 3 meg is a decent size upload for Note. Okay, I think okay, I think I've shown the main features of Evernote2Box. See any other features I'm missing? So I can talk a bit about the admin. See, let's resize this. So The admin, you can see like who's registered for your Evernote2Box. It gives you a list of all your users, and it tells you the box email address and how many uploads have been done for this user and whether the user is active, right? The last updated time. And you see that this is where we store the creds, like the box auth token and the Evernote access token, and the note store URL for this user, right? And their Evernote user ID, and the box notes folder ID. Because remember, the app creates a box notes folder in box for each user. And I already showed you the activity monitor, which gives you a live view of the activity. And that activity is updated like for any browser that's connected to Evernote2Box when you log in. There's also a Manage Admins view where it shows you all the admins. So by default, you get a super admin account, and you can create like more administrators, right? Like I can create like William Chung. See password. Smarty pants. Great. Okay, so now let's see if I can log in as that William Chung. Smarty pants. Okay, log in. Okay, welcome to Administration Commander William Chung. So you can create like multiple admins. You're not restricted to the super admin. In fact, you can delete the super admin if you want, or just disable it. And I can show you like more users being added. So let's go back to the app. Let's sign out from this Evernote, and okay, let's register another user. I have another Evernote account, Forever Chung. What's the password? Okay, I think that's it. Okay, so allow access to box notes. Actually, we want to show the activity monitor here, right? Which engage activity monitor. Okay, so currently I have one active user. Let's resize this. And here, my box count. I have another box account. Is that right? Okay. I'll log in. Okay, so now you see in the activity monitor, it tells you that you now have two active users, right? There's another you have another user now to take care of. And if we go to view the who's registered view, you see now there's William Chung, the Gmail, my Gmail account. I have 0 updates so far. And there are all the credentials. So let's go back to the activity monitor. Okay, now let's just sign into Forever Chung, and let's also sign into a box for my Gmail box account. Not you, okay. So Gmail. Evernote.com password. No, typo. Okay, so the box notes folder was created, and let's create a box notes tag. This is case insensitive, right? So you can do like all lowercase if you want. Let's create a new note. Hello box, and add box notes. Box is awesome. Bold. Italics. Let's make this italics too. Okay, and save. And let's check out the activity monitor to see if it shows that. Yep. So total 1 upload for this for my Gmail account. Let's check out in box. Yep. You uploaded hello box.pdf. And box is awesome. Cool. Okay, now we can also, I'm going to show you deregistering. So deregistering, you just need to go back to the home page and use this deregister link. So actually, you need to authorize to tell me which the creds, right? Like your account. Okay, so now you deregister, right? It tells you like, we're sorry you decided not to use Evernote2Box. Thank you for your interest. And in the activity monitor, it updates the account. Right now you're down to 1 active user, and it tells you which user deregistered. Now if that user wants to register back, they just need to register again and authorize, and also authorize on box. So it's the Gmail. Which one? This one. Okay, so now they're registered, and so in activity monitor, like 2 users, right? And the user is registered, and now let's just make sure that box is totally awesome. Save. Okay, so uploaded. No, 2 uploads. So it actually maintains a history, like even though this guy deregistered, right? Because they registered back, it maintains their history. And you see, box is totally awesome. Okay, thanks.